What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So President Joe Biden's birthday is on Saturday, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different recipes by Joe and Jill Biden, but we're going to make them vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for our first recipe, we're going to make some sweet and spicy pecans. And for this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of pecan halves, 2 cups of cashews, half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of applesauce, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our sweet and spicy pecans. For our next recipe, we're going to make a pasta caprese, and for this recipe, you'll need 1 clove of minced garlic, 2 pounds of tomatoes cut into 1/2-inch pieces, 1 pound of pasta, 12 ounces of vegan shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 of a cup of basil, 1/2 a teaspoon of grated lemon zest, the juice from 1 lemon, and some salt and pepper to taste. All right, for the second time, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our pasta Caprese. For our last recipe, we're going to make some grilled pizzas. And for the dough, you'll need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1¼ ounces of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the topping, you'll need 6 cloves of garlic, sliced, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 28-ounce can of whole San Marzano style tomatoes, 16 ounces of vegan shredded mozzarella cheese, ½ a cup of vegan shredded Parmesan, a 1/4 cup of basil, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and salt and pepper to taste. You'll also need a little more olive oil for the preparation. All right, for the final time, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our grilled pizzas. If you would like to make any of the recipes, I'll have them linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.